Hey guys, I got this wonderful dessert chocolate recipe for you for the holidays. This is my chocolate peanutty fudge without the peanuts. So you have half cup raw cacao, half a cup melted coconut oil, 1/4 cup of raw honey, and the sun butter, half a cup of sunflower seed butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix everything together well slowly. You could also just stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds until it's smooth. And then optionally you can add some walnuts, half a cup chopped walnuts or other nuts, sliced nuts to it. Also shredded coconut. Pour it into silicone molds or onto a loaf pan or a brownie pan and just refrigerate for 2 hours, and then you can take it out and demold it or cut them into slices like these.